Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today on this very gloomy, rainy day, hence the lighting, I am going to be showing you the new doll of the week. And here she is, Hydrangea, all dressed up and ready for Mardi Gras. I chose Hydrangea this week because we are in the height of Mardi Gras season here in Louisiana. Last year, my sister and I, we had hosted a little retreat taster. We have a virtual Blythe retreat that we host every year. But last year I think it was last year, might have been the year before last. Anyway, one year during Mardi Gras season, we hosted a little taster. And I will leave links to some of the videos that we did for that taster, which includes this little crown, her earrings, a little pole charm, this dress, and a float. Yes, a float. Crew Blythe here. Also, if I can find it, I will leave an unboxing of her. So I named her Hydrangea because she reminded me of a hydrangea flower with her little purple fro. Isn't she cute? And I thought she'd make the perfect little Mardi Gras princess. Or I guess queen. She is the queen of Crew Blythe. Isn't she cute though? She is an AliExpress Blythe doll. And so she has the regular eye chips, the blue, the side gray, which we have here, the pink, and then the side kind of orangey brown. I'm not going to show them to you because they're on all the different, most of all the AliExpress Blythe type dolls. So, but I have her on the side gray. I think she's so pretty. But how I had her displayed on this float, let me put her down, was I just had her sitting right here. Her head was right here. And I'll try to take a picture and put it at the end of this. But this was really a fun float to make. And I had planned that my grandchildren were going to make some Mardi Gras stuff for their home school, but we've had some horrible weather, and I don't know if we're going to get to it because Mardi Gras is right around the corner. In fact, our dance group, the Louisiana Lunatics, we are actually in two parades coming up. One of them this weekend, and the other one next weekend, and we're all excited about that. But anyway, here's another little Mardi Gras thing, Louisiana yard dog. This is my doll of the week. And I want to thank y'all for joining us. You have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette along with Hydrangea with Be Creative. Signing out for now. Bye-bye.